Hello dudes and dudotes, and welcome to Dudescast. Today I'm going to show you how you make your WASD keys work as the movement input for Diablo 3. But first let me show you why you even want to do this. As you can see from this footage, I'm actually not using my mouse to move around. Meaning I can have my mouse be shooting behind me and be moving another direction. Which is really useful here for my Demon Hunter and probably most other ranged classes, because it allows you for much better kiting. As you can see here, I can easily throw behind me and go forward and keep getting distance to the mobs. Instead of a stationary placement, I can be moving a lot more without the hassle of clicking every single movement away from the mob in between each shot. So the first thing you want to do is go into Diablo and press escape, then options, and then find where it says move, and then set that to F12. Also, you need to remove any other keys that uses either A, S, D or W. So the way I do that is just I just click whatever, like toggle quest menu, and then I just press A, S, D, W. Now I know that they're not bound to anything else, and then I just put it back to what it was before. Okay, and then you just hit apply. Then you just simply have to go and download AutoHotkey from autohotkey.com and just press the download and install that. It basically just makes so that your computer can read scripts and put them onto your ordinary keyboard and rebind keys like your WASD keys. And then you just simply have to download this script from the link I'll provide in the description and run it with AutoHotkey, and then you should within 1 minute start your game of Diablo and it should be working. And here's how it looks in game. W, D, S, A, W and D, A and S. So yeah,